As we see nowadays that there are news coming up that younger population get affected with heart problems, and there are numerous casualties in the young individuals. This sudden surge of heart problems has given us situation where we have to rethink the causative factor and how we can keep our heart healthy. We see very often that the people who are smoking, their lungs get affected. But this is also true that among smokers, there are also coronary artery disease, and smoking is one of the most important causative factor, heart disease. So, if we have to get rid of coronary artery disease, we must quit smoking as early as possible. We also see that there is a diabetic incidence increasing in our country, and diabetes is another cause of coronary heart disease, and also kidney disease, eye problems, and peripheral vascular disease. There are so many things occurs, neuropathies, because of the diabetes. So if we want to prevent these problems, this is very important that we must treat diabetes vigorously, or if possible in type 2 diabetes, we can try for reversal of diabetes. For that there are various methods and drugs and lifestyle changes by which one can achieve reversal of diabetes. Diabetes is lifestyle disease, and this has to be treated by making your lifestyle healthy. There are individuals who get overweight, and this may exist in the families, and overweight is also responsible for heart problems. There might be heart failure because of obesity. There can also be coronary artery disease because of obesity, and with that there are lungs problem, then there are joint problems, and obese persons eventually succumb to various issues related with the obesity. So one has to try to maintain the body weight, and that can only be done by rigorous exercises and taking a very healthy diet. There are individuals who has got a deranged cholesterol level. We all know that HDL cholesterol is a good cholesterol and LDL cholesterol is a bad cholesterol. We have also seen that in Indians there is a hypertriglyceridemia. There is one type of cholesterol which is known as triglyceride. In Indians, this is found to be very, very high as compared to the Western population. And we all know that cholesterol is to some extent is also responsible for coronary artery disease. So if individual has got a deranged cholesterol level in form of high triglyceride, high LDL and low HDL, this has to be reversed, and that can be done by lifestyle, maintaining a healthy food, and of course treating the hypercholesteremia with drugs. Cholesterol is also important for the body development and maintenance of the various hormones and all. Same time, unhealthy cholesterol is also responsible for coronary artery disease. So we should have a balance. We should have a high level of HDL cholesterol and low level of LDL cholesterol and low level of triglyceride, by which we can maintain a balance. Now there are certain patients who are type A personality. They become jittery, they become very, very agitated if there is a problems. These patients we call it type A personality. These individuals should also be treated by some form of yoga and some relaxation exercises, so that because these patients may get hypertension because of this jitteriness, that is again a dangerous thing. So we know that smoking causes heart disease, diabetes is responsible there, hypertension, type A personality, high cholesterol, and sleep is very, very important. Proper sleep is very, very important. If we don't take a proper sleep, our circadian rhythm is disturbed. That may also be responsible for blood pressure and heart disease. So proper 8 hours sleep is very, very important, and one must try to avail that. So these are the various causative factors along with diet, which is very important. A healthy diet is far better than the medication which we are taking eventually. The healthy diet prevents the development of diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, obesity. So if you are likely to develop these problems, maybe because of parental problems, they have these issues, then you must start regulating your diet. If you want to prevent these problems, you must do a regular exercise. Regular exercise is very, very important. 4 to 5 kilometers. Morning walk is just appropriate. Brisk walking is just appropriate. 4 days in a week. So you can avoid or treat heart problem by quitting the smoking, by treating your blood pressure. If you are obese, cut down the weight, take a proper diet, maintain your cholesterol, and try to maintain calm by yoga and regular physical exercises. These are the various things which prevent the development of heart disease. If you already have heart problems, then combine the proper treatment and have a secondary prevention with these measures which I already enumerated. Thank you.